All right, so this is Beacon Lake Townhomes. You're passing Publix right there on your way home. Super convenient. You have some public parking right there for your guests, right by the mailboxes. And then you have here this view of your neighbors, all townhomes. And it's right across from Beach Walk, right? Beacon Lake. You have a very large driveway. You would fit here at least, I would say, 6 cars, at least 3 back to back. And then you have a 2-car garage and a beautiful preserve right next to the home. So no neighbors on one side. So 156 Charlie Way. This is your sidewalk that leads to the entrance. And again, you have a little bit of a grassy area here and a beautiful preserve. Very nice. This is the entrance. So you walk in and you have this living room right there. You could put a table right here. There's a lamp right there. No fans in the living room. This is the kitchen, white kitchen, cabinets, island with 1 sink, small pantry. But the quartz is very pretty, it has sparkles. This is the pantry, not big, like I said. You have a 4 gas burner stove, exhaust fan, microwave over the oven, and dishwasher here, Whirlpool appliances, and Frigidaire fridge. Nice big window over there where you can put a nice table. And this is the backyard, very pretty, very private, not screened in. Not super big, but you have privacy here from the other neighbors. And again, this is a preserve that goes all around the house. So this is all yours. Very private. And you don't have a screened patio, but you do have a screen here at the door. So you could keep the door open if you wanted to. And this is the view again. It's not super big, but it's very cute. This is the primary bedroom. Nice big window overlooking the preserve. And this is the bathroom. You have 2 sinks here. Shower, no bathtub with a door. Water closet, no door. Closet with a door. And then you have one bedroom here. And this is the air handler. This is like a little shelf here and a nook. The second bathroom with 1 sink and a bathtub, tile. Across from the bathroom you have a laundry room, but I don't see a washer and dryer, so probably not provided, and a 2-car garage. And last but not least, the third bedroom is over here, all the way in the back, with a closet. So you have 3 bedrooms, I would say normal size. No washer and dryer. Pocket door here. And that is it. That's the house on 156 Charlie Way in Beacon Lake.